All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another house flipping video. We walked this house a month or two ago, made an offer, bought it. There were tenants in place, 20-year tenants, been sitting in there chain smoking, watching History Channel for the last 20 years. We have no idea what it looks like. We paid cash for keys so they would get out. We got all their junk over here. We have no idea if it's still in there, like all their furniture and everything. We got some gray water going down the street here, tires in the front yard, broken down cars. Zach's here. Zach's gonna flip this house. We're gonna flip it, sell it in the next 90 days. That's Zach's job. You got it, right?
That's right. Yeah, I got it.
All right, so we're gonna walk through this right now and take a look, like fresh. Never seen it. Let's go take a look. We don't even know where the key is. Key might be under the mat. That's what they're saying. Look at the houses next door. Show them the houses next door. Guys, remember, we had a hurricane come through here 90 days ago. Houses are crazy, trashed. It's 30 degrees out. It's 2 days before Christmas. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve, and we're still buying houses. If you are sitting at home right now and it's a holiday and you got your feet up and you're nice and warm, me and Zach are out here. It's 30 degrees. The wind's blowing 20 miles an hour. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. We both got little kids, and we're flipping houses. What are you doing? Woo, that's a good one. That's a good reel. All right, here we go. First time. I wish you guys could smell it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you smell it.
Not as bad as I thought, though.
No, that's not terrible.
Look at how many dead roaches.
Wow.
All right, so I'm gonna give you a kind of first initial assessment, like bang, hit you, the ammonia hits you, right? You see the carpet? Look at this right here. This is matted with love. First thing I'm gonna do is we need get some light in here. See this is matted with love. You can tell that one of their dogs they loved sat right here for a long time because it's hard as a rock. Hey, these windows are new, Zach.
Absolutely. Good enough.
All right, so in here we've got the OSB with a light knockdown with the can lights in there. You can still see the seams of the OSB. Got the 3 and 5, the 2 3/8 crown. See, they tried in here. Okay, this is what, I'm remembering it now, right? Me and Ashley walked this house a couple months ago, right after the storm, and we're like, all right, could this be a master? Or, I don't even know, what is it now? Is this formal dining? Could we level this floor? It used to be used to be some type of carport.
Absolutely, yeah.
Level this floor and then make it a dining room is one option. But I think we talked about trying to figure out how to make this a master. Is there enough room to?
It's tough.
Well, to steal
this.
this.
Access?
Well,
oh, no, there's access.
To steal this.
Oh.
Hey, let's turn on lights, see if we can get any lights on. Here we go. Yeah, man, that's what I mean. Like, we steal this whole thing from here all the way there and reframe it and make a laundry room. Like, you could make a laundry room like this off the kitchen, right? And then all of a sudden, this is part of the bathroom or something. It's funky, man. A lot of roaches. All right, so here's the first update. Ashley wants to keep these cabinets. I mean, so evidently the landlord just installed them not long ago. Like, I don't know, but what is this? So like, you know, I don't think you can put a microwave here.
No. Maybe a real slim one, but.
But at this price range, can we paint them all white, put new pulls on them, and then get a new stainless microwave that fits right here, and a new stainless hood vent, and new appliances, right? With marble countertops and a backsplash.
Would save a lot of money.
It save a lot of money, a lot of time, and they're already here.
That's right.
All right, that's what we like. Look at this. Woo! Screened in back porch. All right, so what I'm thinking is we're going to run privacy fence, obviously, down both sides, but that looks like it's wet back there, kind of like Crystal Creek or, you know, that. So maybe we just clean up and push this wall back just to like where that limb is right there. You know what I mean?
Yep.
And then we'll run privacy fence across there so we don't get into the wet stuff. Yeah, if you look on the map, you've got this huge, deep lot, but it's just wet back there. So why not fence it in so your dogs and your kids can't get it? And I think if we start cutting this back early and getting the sun on it, it might dry up a little bit. But
I think
it's some cleanup though, huh? Yeah,
I think so.
a lot of cleanup. But this is not bad. This is pressure wash.
like it.
Maybe
No.
rescreen it.
For sure.
But it's great to have. Oh, this is the house that I told you about that's got the half bath with the closet shower. Like, remember we bought the house. We haven't even shown that one. We bought a house where someone put a shower in the closet. We're going to have to do the same thing here.
Which one? Over here?
Stardust? Yeah. Man, those windows probably come clean.
Yeah, I think that's fine.
Me too. Oh. Yeah, here we go. All right, get in there. Take a look at this. Take a look at that. Look at that, baby. Yeah, buddy. I mean, look how deep that little closet is, too. I think, I don't have to look, but that feels like concrete, doesn't it? Yeah, it's on a slab. Perfect, right? Because we could tie in with this drain, this toilet drain. Oh, yeah, right? Take this wall out and put a shower in right
weird,
there.
Yeah.
House fans. Let's talk whole house fans. A lot of times when we buy these houses from the 50s, 60s, even the 70s, they've got these whole house fans. This one still kind of works, right? If you crack the window, whoo, if you hear it, and like the louvers come on, it's a massive fan. Back in the day, they didn't have air conditioning, right? So in the summer, it was really hot. You crack the windows and turn on this whole house fan. It creates this rush of wind through the whole entire house. Nowadays, nobody uses them. A lot of times what we'll do is just take off this grate, frame it up, and abandon the fan up there and sheetrock over it, or tear it completely out. It's like an incredible motor that's built in the 70s that people love. So you can sell them on Marketplace and things like that, right?
That's right.
People love them. But I like it because watch, crack the door, hit the switch.
It'll pull the door shut.
They'll pull it open. All right, you can turn it off. Woo! That sucks cold air in.
That's a suction.
All right, pretty
Look at
cool
this
house.
base.
Yeah, that's all got to come up.
Yeah. 1x2?
Yeah, the base and case on the old stuff. Just try to match this stuff. This is the stock.
Oh, that's just, yeah.
This is our nasty house we just bought. We just bought this house for $99,000. I want to tell you guys exactly how I got it for $10,000 off, right at the last moment. So this house was occupied. It had tenants that had lived here for 20 years. The seller really needed the money. I offered them $90,000. They wanted $99,000. I said, here, I'll give you $99,000, but we'll hold back $10,000 at the closing attorneys. If your tenants aren't out by the specified date in the future that you said they're going to be out, the attorney's going to release the $10,000 to me. Well, lo and behold, they didn't get out on time. They've been here 20 years. So I got the 10 grand. So really, and then we gave them another week and to stay here for $500 they paid us. So really, we're into this house for around $91,000. We're going to put $70,000 into this house. We're going to go all in, make it beautiful, 1,350 square feet. We're going to sell it for $239,000 and try to make $70,000 on this house. I can't wait for you guys to come along. Zach's got his hand full. He's got 30 days to get it done.
30 days?
I'm just kidding. We want to try to sell it from about 90 days from now, meaning it's off our books. So if it takes us 45 to 60 days to get it on the, 45 days to flip it and get it on the market, and then another 45 days to get some offers and 30 days to get it closed, right? So 90-day turnaround process. You do a couple of these a year. It always works out. I want you guys to come along on the journey. We're going to make weekly videos turning this house from this into something absolutely beautiful. Zach's in charge of the whole process. We're going to shoot a video every week. If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next week. Merry Christmas.